Hey there, what's up? Hope all of you out there watching are doing wonderfully well. In today's video, we'll be making chicken fajita. Let's get started. Here I have about 500 grams of chicken breast, cut into half centimeter thick and 1 inch long strips. To this, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 3/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and finally 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix in all the ingredients well so that each strip is well coated with the fajita spices. Leave it to marinate for half an hour in the refrigerator so that the chicken absorbs all the flavors well. Now let's prepare the colorful peppers and onion stir fry for the chicken fajita. In a pan, add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and spread it evenly in the pan. I'm adding in 1 brown onion thickly sliced. Saute it for a couple of seconds. Now goes in thick strips or julienne of 1 orange bell pepper, followed by thick strips of 1 yellow bell pepper, thick strips of 1 green bell pepper, and finally thick strips of 1 red bell pepper. Saute all of them on high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes, seasoning with freshly milled pepper and salt. Mix the seasonings well. Do not cover and cook the bell peppers. We need them crunchy and not soggy. You can see the vibrant colors of the bell peppers. I'm putting off the flame here and keeping them aside. In a pan, I'm adding in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Spread the oil evenly in the pan. Now let's fry the marinated chicken. Add in the marinated chicken and fry on high flame to seal the flavors and juices of the chicken. Add in the fried bell peppers and onion and mix them together. Put off the flame. The mouth-watering chicken fajita is ready to be served. Here we come to the end of yet another recipe. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please let me know in the comments below your thoughts on this recipe. Also let me know which of the recipes you'd like to see featured here on Passion Bistro. Until next time, stay safe and eat healthy.